A growing wave of frustration is sweeping across Kenya as citizens find themselves unable to recall underperforming MPs, despite a constitutional right to do so. At the center of this storm is Nairobi Women Representative Esther Passaris, whose constituents filed a formal petition with the IEBC on July 28, 2025, accusing her of constitutional violations and neglect of duty. But the process has hit a brick wall. Why? Because 8 years after a landmark High Court ruling struck down the legal framework for recalling MPs, Parliament has failed to replace it. Article 104 of the Constitution grants voters the power to recall their representatives, but only if Parliament enacts laws to make it happen. And right now, those laws don't exist. The crisis stems from a 2017 High Court ruling in Katiba Institute and Team versus Attorney General, which declared sections 45 and 46 of the Elections Act unconstitutional. Those sections had set the grounds and procedure for recalling MPs, but the court ruled they were too restrictive, making it nearly impossible for citizens to exercise their right. Instead of fixing the problem, Parliament left a gaping void. Today, the IEBC has no legal basis to process recall petitions for MPs or senators. Ironically, MCAs can still be recalled under the County Governments Act, but national leaders remain untouchable. On July 30th, IEBC chairperson Erastus Edung Ethekon confirmed the deadlock, saying the Commission cannot act without new laws. So, can the courts force a solution? The following can be done. First, a Supreme Court petition pursuant to Article 163 challenging Parliament's failure to legislate as a violation of Article 104. The court could order MPs to pass a new law within a strict deadline. Secondly, judicial review pursuant to Article 47 of the Constitution. A fresh High Court case could declare Parliament's inaction illegal and compel the IEBC to find an interim solution. But so far, no such case has been filed. The ball is now in Parliament's court. The Elections Amendment Bill of 2024 is pending, but critics fear that MPs will water it down to shield themselves. The Law Society of Kenya warns that the current draft may still restrict recall rights, leaving voters powerless. With public anger rising, activists are demanding action. But as it stands, Kenya's recall mechanism remains broken, and MPs remain immune to their constituents' demands.